Morning, sir.
Good morning.
How do you do today, sir?
I'm very fine.
All right, my name is Dr. Kachi. Okay, I'll be asking you some questions. I want to know the reason why you're here today. Okay, can I go ahead?
You can.
All right, thank you very much. What's your name?
Desmond.
Full name?
Desmond Johnson.
Okay, thank you. How old are you?
I'm 27.
Are you single or married?
No, I'm single.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm an artist.
Okay, where do you live?
I live here in Abuja.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Edo State.
Okay. What tribe are you?
I'm Benin.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so what's the reason why you're in the hospital today?
I've been having severe stomach pain and it's been giving me serious discomfort. So I decided to come today and do a check.
Okay, so by stomach pain, do you mean your abdomen?
Yeah. Initially started around this the navel region and
Okay.
it just moved down my stomach to the right and it's been seriously hurting.
Okay. So when did this stomach pain start?
Severely last night, and it became worse last night, and it gave me difficulty sleeping, and I just couldn't sleep. I couldn't really eat. I was having severe fever, and I was feeling as if I was going to throw up, and it was just a very discomforting feeling. And I said, let me just come to the hospital and check.
Okay, so from when it started till now, has it become worse or has it got better?
No, it's not better at all. It's been worse than it was, and I'm still feeling pains even till now.
Okay, so apart from this place you feel pain, do you feel pain on any other part of your abdomen?
No.
Okay. So this pain, can you describe the pain for me?
I can't really describe it. It's severely painful. It's hurting. It's as if it's burning inside. I can't really.
Okay, so you don't know if it is dull, if it is something is biting you, if something is burning you.
It's as if it's a bite. It's just so hurting.
Okay. So is it a part of the day that is worse or a part of the day that it becomes better?
No.
Okay.
Every time it's just hurting. It's just.
Okay. So is there anything you do and it becomes better? Is there anything you do it becomes worse?
Not at all.
Okay, nothing resolves the pain and nothing makes it worse?
No. Initially when it started, I went to the pharmacy to get some painkillers, but it didn't relieve it at all. Instead, it became worse.
Okay. So has this pain stopped you from doing your normal activities? Can you, with the pain, still go and do your normal activities?
Yeah, for some time I've not been able to go about my daily business as usual, and part of the reason why I tried seeking painkillers to help, but it's not been working and it has disrupted my daily business.
Okay. Have you been throwing up?
No.
Okay. Is there any change with how frequently you go to the bathroom?
No.
Okay. Do you feel pain in any other part of your body?
No.
Have you had this kind of pain before?
No, just.
Okay. So for this pain now, what have you done?
Nothing except the painkillers I took, and it still didn't relieve it, and that's just it.
Okay. Have you taken any herbal concoctions apart from the painkillers?
No.
Okay. Have you been to any other hospital before coming here?
No.
Okay. All right. So, have you been admitted before in the hospital?
No.
Okay. Do you have any other medical condition?
No.
Are you hypertensive?
No.
Are you diabetic?
No.
Okay. Do you have any epilepsy or seizure disorder?
No.
Okay. I just want to ask this question so that I know. Okay. All right. So, do you know your genotype or your blood group?
No.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, have you had any surgeries in the past, or have you been transfused before?
No, I haven't.
Okay. All right. That's fine. So, what's your position in your family?
I'm the last child.
Okay. Are your both parents still alive?
No, my dad is late, but my mom's still alive.
Okay. So, what happened to your dad? How is he late?
He had an accident.
Okay. Oh, so sad. My bad. So sorry. Yeah. Is there anybody in your family that has any medical condition, hypertension, diabetes, seizure disorder?
None that I know of.
Okay.
No.
Anybody that has any malignancy in your family, any cancers in your family?
No.
Okay. All right. Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you take alcohol?
A little.
Okay. What do you mean by a little?
Like I don't take frequently, and
Okay. So how many bottles? How
Occasionally.
many bottles do you take in a day?
I hardly take daily.
Okay, in a month.
I can, but I hardly drink.
Okay.
I
All right.
hardly drink.
So do you take herbal concoctions?
No, I don't.
Okay. Is there any drug that you react to? Is there any drug that when you take your body begins to act differently?
None that I can. I don't think.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. So is there any other complaint? Is there anything you want to tell us about?
No, nothing really. Just this, and that's the reason why I came.
Okay. Do you have headaches?
No,
Have you ever felt dizzy?
no,
Do you have chest pain?
no, I don't.
Do you feel your heart beat?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you find it difficult to breathe when you sleep? When you lie down, you suddenly wake up and try to catch your breath?
No, I
Okay.
don't.
Do you easily get tired when you walk for some distance?
No,
Okay. Okay. Do you have any problem with the way you urinate?
no.
Okay. Have you ever seen blood in your urine?
No,
Okay. Do you have any muscle pain or bone pains?
no.
Okay. All right. So thank you very much, mister. So further, I would take you to the room so that we can briefly have examination.
Okay, thank you
All right.
very
All
much.
right. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.